Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating another 1969 Mustang AM-8 track. This is sent in by Dave in, I believe it's Oklahoma, Yukon, Oklahoma, I think it is. Where are you, Dave? Yeah, Yukon, Oklahoma. And just repaired a standard stock, so we're going to turn around and make sure everything works. We get 3 AM stations in my area. There's the one.
There is in January
2019. 2. I'm not really counting that one.
And then Buvardaz, then.
Okay, there's the third one. Alright, we're going to take a look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting output on both speakers. Whoops. Because I need to relocate one of my cameras. And for the moment, we'll just do this. There we go.
But I'm sticking to
Alrighty.
it. January
balance left. Balance right.
I know I said I had a burger earlier.
And to the right. Okay. And I'm also going to I'm going to test my front speakers while I'm at it here. My front setup, my front recording setup. So we'll do the same thing here on the front speakers this time. Okay, I can see.
But it's easier to stand and watch. I could say a prayer and just move on like nothing's wrong.
Okay, now we're going to try the 8-track. Don't need this anymore. We got some Anne Murray on the 8-track.
Live beside me. And sometimes I feel like crying for no reason at all. Sometimes I get a little crazy. I think it's in my head.
Just needed to make a little adjustment there. There's left. Right. Left. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, silence between tracks means proper head alignment. Okay, now we're gonna give her a smack test. Make sure there's no intermittent shorts. Smacked it so hard I knocked it off the station. Alrighty, that concludes the test. I think that's a pretty good testament to its reliability. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is a repair to standard stock, but I also do modern FM conversions. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, digital capability, and who knows what else by the time you send your radio in. My website's in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.